I'm alive, I do and die. My mind stretched out on the canopy. My dreams getting bigger than you and me.
Hello, good morning, welcome back to another exciting episode. It's not exciting, is it? It's me driving a truck. I am in a place called Bangor. Not Bangor in Wales, Bangor in Northern Ireland. I'm doing the wheelbarrows again. Same as last week, but not in Scotland. I've arrived at this place here. The gates are open and I thought their trucks were out and I've just driven in. Their trucks aren't even loaded yet, so I might get told off in a minute. There is a guy unloading some brick and blocks over there, so once he backs out of the way I'm going to try and get where he is, unload it myself. It's only wheelbarrows, and hopefully stay out of their way and get out of here as quickly as possible, really. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get told off by them. When they realise I'm here, they're definitely going to tell me off, because I mean, I didn't see a sign on the gate saying don't enter, but I looked and I couldn't see their truck, so I thought they were already out. But obviously not. So I came here yesterday, this Monday today, and parked around the corner. I've been to this place before, Bangor, many years ago. I sailed here to the harbour. A beautiful, really pretty harbour. Well, the town next to the harbour is pretty. It's just a concrete harbour, but very nice town. I think I went to the flea market here. It's quite alright actually. There's a chippy, a nice chippy. Have you ever in Bangor? There's a space here. He's just told me to drive right up into the corner and get into the space. So I'm out of the way. I did apologise. Sorry mate, I thought your legs were out. Done. 25 wheelbarrows offloaded. Right, I've just googled the next one, which is B&Q. Sat nav was not taking it anywhere near, so it took me about 5 minutes to find it on the map and get it sorted. But
100 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit. Then you have reached your destination.
So someone sent me a message the other day saying, was I at Glasgow Airport the other day? Yes, I turned in by accident, and now I'm at Belfast.
After 200 yards, you have reached your destination.
Right, I'm not sure if it's straight down to get into this one or you turn right.
You have reached your destination. Airport Road West.
I think it might be right. Or is that Sainsbury's, in it? Is that Sainsbury's? I think this is Sainsbury's only. Oh crap, this is Sainsbury's. The wrong one. Ah. I need to spin round. Can I spin it here? We'll give it a go. There we go. I saw those trucks queuing and then I thought it was that, but it was Sainsbury's. Duh! As I say, I'm a little bit early, so just tuck her in there. Can you get past all right? Yeah, looks like it. So whilst I'm oh, the bed's unrolled. So whilst I'm waiting to get in this one, I'll put in the next one. Well, that's this one. Next one, I'll just double check on the run sheets to make sure I'm not they are in the right order. Newton Abbey. That is the correct next one. BT367GU. Right, it's now taken us to 9 o'clock, so about, well, just after 9, so we're not that early now.
I don't know how strong the branches are, so I don't want to hoist the mirror, you know.
Yeah, at least it's not a mirror. I mean the mirror cam.
Couldn't have them. Drove one for a while at one stage, got to drive it. You're almost, where the frick? Sure, if that breaks, you can't see. If that smashes,
yeah,
you can still see the outline.
Yeah, sun's in it and you can't see.
No, frick.
Yeah.
Plenty of them around. Montgomery's over here's a load of these with the mirrors.
With the mirrors?
I mean the
oh yeah.
cameras on it. Right, yeah.
Have a good one. Yeah, I think it's a bit of a blindside this actually. Head towards the biffa bin and then up a left. Go. That was fairly quick. Quite friendly bunch of chaps. Helped unload it. Right, let's get out of here. Yeah, I didn't realise how long the reverse was going to be. It's easy going
left,
forward.
Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
Scenic. What they make. Cheers mate, have a good one. There you go, you just see the cranes, Howland and Wolf. It's the Howland and Wolf, isn't it? I'm not getting it wrong. Am I? I don't know, I can't remember. George Best, Belfast City Airport. I thought it was called that. The only problem with when you're doing the wheelbarrows is you can't do them out of sync because everything stacks in front of everything. So if I get done way early today, I can't just go and do the non-B&Q stuff and then come back to the B&Q because
After 1.2 miles, keep right.
I'd have to move a ton of stuff. Depends how much stuff's in front of it, I suppose. I suppose I could jiggle it around if I'm way early. But it's a lot of effort and I'm scheduled, I'm booked out for 2 days basically, so.
First exit,
Right, I
then
see the B&Q
go straight
ahead there. So you would just go in there if you hadn't Googled it.
Go straight on Longlands Road, then turn right. Turn right, Longlands Avenue, then you have reached your destination.
Park your van there, mister. Try not to whack his van with the trailer.
You have reached your destination, 2 Longlands Avenue.
This is the right entrance. I'm just going to move up a little bit when he gets out. The driver over there is 2 hours early, so they're not letting him tip. Oh, so they're putting me in first. So unfortunately, I feel for him now because he's made progress and there's nothing he can do about it. But anyway, yeah, this one's going to finish off inside, and then it sounded so wrong. Never mind. Let's go. He just started his engine up, so I don't know if he thought he was going in or not.
Turn left, Longlands Road, then cross the roundabout and take the 3rd exit, Mill Road.
They like the tight loading bays here, don't they? I think he thought he was coming in then, he started his engine up.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
You go down, mate, and I'll bring it back.
Going right here. Another one bites the dust. Must say, all so far, all the people that I've dealt with at these B&Qs have all been nice and friendly. So it's when it stays like that. Ah, how long was it there? Not long. like you're an hour early. I said, no. Change the time on my phone so it says the right time for me. He says, what do I want with all the wheelbarrows I've got? What do I want with them?
Turn right, Sprosefield Park, then, at the end of the road, turn left. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Right, not far off now. Any of my viewers from this area? Don't know what this town's called, to be honest. Oh, I do. Actually, we're at the destination.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Church Street.
Oh, we're 1 mile away. Is this Kelly's here on the right? Point higher straight on. Right. Yeah, looks like it's the right one. For this guy to finish unloading his forklift. Right, so kind of heading north now towards Dungannon. I think we've got a Dungannon. That's what it's basically
You will
between
arrive
Immerse
at your
and
destination
Lisbon.
at 1:15 p.m.
Google Maps. Let's go forward a little bit.
You have reached your destination.
It looks like this
on
is the correct
industrial
entrance.
estate.
Jesus, we'll like to slip off there with the wheels. Entrance. One-way system. There's a truck already in there. But if it's one way, should be alright to go behind it. Not the widest of gates, if I'm honest. Right, I won't block any vans coming in behind me, so I'll stay to the left. I'll do. Wheelbarrows. Anyway, out the way. Yeah, I think there's two on pallets, or two pallets, and the rest is loose. Yeah, so.
There's handy, maybe you can pull it there and we can sort it off.
Okay, mate.
You will arrive at your destination at 2:12 p.m.
$14 that one was. It was all hand. It wasn't pallets. The pallets are the next one. DBS Dungannon. So I've not looked at it on the Google Maps yet. Well, that's a bit of a tall one as well, isn't it? Only a couple of shed pallets in there. That is gonna give off some heat, that, isn't it? Right, I'm hoping this one's gonna be a quick offload because I think it's all just on pallets. So might I've still got 51 minutes of driving left, and I'm only, it says I'm 10 minutes away, but it's 4 miles, it won't be 10 minutes. So I reckon we might get to the next one as well. We'll see what happens, and then we'll definitely have to have a break. Right, I've got, that took 8 minutes. I've got 43 minutes, 41 minutes of driving, and the next one is 2.5 miles away. Which way do I need to turn out of here? I don't think it knows which way I'm pointing. I think I need to go right. Yeah, I'll go right. Oh, such a shame the house is wrecked. Nice houses. Yeah, so just scooting around the outskirts of the town here. They're going a little bit and then scooting around the outside.
After 100 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, A29, towards Belfast. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Unfortunately, I'm not going to get to the next one before they close. So I'm going to head just south of there. It's Londonderry, so I'm going to park on one of the industrial estates. Looks like there's plenty of space there to park, can't see any double yellow lines. So we'll do that and then we'll tip first thing in the morning. I'm just going to wait to spin round. There's a truck here, so as soon as he moves I'll spin this round. It's going to be a bit tight in this yard, to be honest. But yeah, I was hoping to get that one off today, and then I could have headed over. It's quite a long drive from there. It's 2 hours from here to Londonderry, and then it's probably going to be about 2.5 hour drive to the B&Q in the morning. But I'll probably stop at somewhere like Ballymena or something like that tomorrow. Oh no, he's done an eBay thing and bought eBay accessories. Oh, the eBay wheel trims, the eBay door shiny things. At least he's got a low bar. Right, let's see if we can spin it in here, because it's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze to spin it. I hope I don't hit them pipes behind me. And the racking. That was tight. Well, the time is 5 o'clock. I got bored, so we stopped. Where am I? A5. I think I'm on the A5. A deep lay-by. It's one of them lay-bys where you've got space for a truck to park, truck to get past, and then there's a bit of a path, and then they've got the road. So shouldn't get rocked around too much. I'm on the south side of Londonderry. It's 17 minutes drive away. I might as well do that in the morning. I was going to park on the industrial estate, look at the traffic, can't be bothered. So I'm just gonna, that's it. That's me done for the day. So do my paperwork. Open the back door. Might actually just open the side curtain here, just enough so anyone who wants to see what's in it can just look in it instead of cutting it. I mean, there's nothing really about it. I don't know what the phone signal's like. Can I watch the interwebs? Oh, it's not good. Let me load YouTube up. Well, good morning. I fell asleep very early last night, and then I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning. We're good to go though. Fuel is an issue for me. I've used more than I thought I was going to use, so I didn't put enough in. Well, that's I've got a quarter of a tank. It's just shut up. It's enough to get me back to Scotland, that's for sure. But I can't remember. I mean, I can look. I suppose look at Google if there's any fuel stations from Cairn Ryan that can fit HGV. I've been looking around here. The intro cap for Key Fuels is just junk, just useless. Anyway, I found another. We have got another fuel card, and I found a fuel station in the area where I'm going to. It's en route to where I'm going to drop off at the B&Q later. So, that's about an hour away. Right, I was the first here and I'm the third in. Then we got to spin round first. Yeah. So that's me tipped. I'm waiting for this plonker to move. He knows I'm waiting just to turn around and get out. I give him time to strap his load down, he's done that, and now he's just buggered off. I think he's doing it on purpose, I don't know why. Just please move your truck and let me leave. Don't know why, some drivers do that, they want to be awkward and they're awkward on purpose. So I've just literally spun it most of the way around, so I'm blocking customers from leaving now, so they're going to have to move it, because I'm blocking customers. So there's a way around things.
You are being transferred to a member of staff. B&Q Korean, how can I help?
Good morning, I'm at the back gate. I have a delivery for you, but I can't get a reply from the buzzer.
Right, I'll see if I get the hold of somebody down there.
Thank you,
All right?
thank you, bye.
No problem, bye.
Done.
Ship that the drones are chasing below. This from reply. At this time, it's under heavy acceleration. Can it get away?
What lane do I want? I want the right lane, I think. I'm a little bit early. I did stop for 3 hours. I did a nice little
Cross
snooze.
the roundabout and take the third exit, A8, towards Harbour.
Oh, there's a KFC here. I won't be getting one. Omniplex, I'm guessing that's a cinema. Brooklyn Day Diner. I do believe it's left here and left
Take
again.
the exit, Harbour Highway, then
According
you have reached
to
your
Google,
destination.
it's this entrance here for P&O Freight and Weybridges only. So I think we're going in here.
After 200 yards, you have reached your destination.
I'm not sure where you go and queue up once you've got in here. I think it's just like a scales. Weybridge.
You have reached your destination. Harbour Highway.
Ah, straight facing. Right, I'll be here for an hour or two now. Oh God. Well, there's only one thing for it. Night. Get me phone, get me jumper. Probably shouldn't be wearing shorts, but never mind. Don't know where the door is on this one. Right, turn my power bank off. Right, let's go.